we're gonna do some biology questions. So the first one is describe the process of peat formation. When I see this question, you just have to say formed from dead plant material. And now you just talk about the conditions in which they're formed, and we know they're formed in waterlogged soils, where bacteria, like saprotrophs, like bacteria, is inhibited, and as a result, there is partial decomposition of organic matter, or you can say there is not fully decomposed, and hence, and this happens in, if you write conditions, is anaerobic and acidic conditions, and it's a very slow process. So that's your answer. This is actually a 4-mark question, and that's good marks to get your 4. So the next question is explain the processes through which energy enters and flows through the ecosystem. So this is an 8-mark question, so you'll need some good explanation. I'll just list the points that are relevant. So energy enters the ecosystem from the sun in the form of light energy. You can say that. This light energy is converted into chemical energy. This light energy is converted into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis in you can say autotrophs. Photosynthesis, this produces carbohydrates, and you can say this like glucose. This is used for energy storage, etc. Okay. Now this. So now this energy is transferred from autotroph to successive trophic levels. So you can say only 10% of energy is transferred. You can say 90% lost due to respiration in the form of heat, and it's lost because animal not eaten fully, you can say that, or there's egestion, like feces for example. You can say energy is not recycled, it flows in an ecosystem. I think that's a pretty good answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9 points. If you just explain this, you'll get the marks. Aquatic and other environments are being affected by the global rise in temperature consequences. Okay, so they're asking effectively the consequences of climate change. So what you gotta say is, okay, so on Arctic ecosystem, when I see that first there, I'm gonna say melting of ice caps, or you can say glaciers if you want. And this it causes rise in sea levels. So it leads to death, and or even extinction of Arctic species such as polar bears. It leads to a change in flora and fauna due to the change in climate conditions. Could rise in sea levels could lead to flooding. Rise in sea levels could lead to flooding, which effectively kills many organisms. Okay, that's good for 4 marks. Explain the interaction of short and long wave radiation. Okay, so what you gotta say here is sun emits short wave radiation. This passes. Okay, I can't spell today. So this passes through the greenhouse gases of the Earth into the atmosphere. The Earth reflects the short wave. So the Earth actually, oh my bad, absorbs some of this short wave radiation, but reflects most of the short wave radiation in the form of long wave radiation. The long greenhouse gases, like such as carbon dioxide, they trap the long wave radiation and reflect it back to Earth, preventing its escape into space. And that's what you gotta say. So now just the last question is the general characteristics of all ecosystems. So you just start by defining an ecosystem. Ecosystem is a community, and it's a abiotic environment. And abiotic simply means non-living. It's a non-living environment. Then you just talk about the characteristics, how energy flows through an ecosystem, how nutrients are recycled in an ecosystem, and this links to the concept of sustainability. Then you can talk about what else can we think about ecosystems? How ecosystems, you can say how producers and decomposers like saprophores are involved in ecosystems. You can say it's interactions between different species. That's good. And I think that is all. Yep, so thank you for listening today. It's just quick and simple 5 questions.